With a streamlined design and battery life up to 6 months, Caavo's simple remote has everything you need to enjoy a new kind of television experience. Charge your Caavo remote by plugging the included micro USB cable into the bottom of the remote. The LED on the remote will illuminate red to indicate it's charging. You can find the remote's battery level by selecting Remote in the Settings menu. Follow the on-screen instructions during setup to pair your remote the first time you use Caavo. Many buttons have a primary and secondary function. Rest your finger on any button and a hint about its primary and secondary functions will appear on the lower right side of your TV screen. Press the button briefly to use its primary function. Press and hold the button to use its secondary function. The remote features global buttons and dynamic buttons. Global buttons perform the same function throughout the Caavo experience. Dynamic button functions will change depending on the active source device. Let's start with the global buttons. Short press the power button to power on your TV, audio system, and source devices and switch to the Caavo input. When your system's on, short press the power button to display controls for powering the system off, powering the audio system on or off, and toggling power of the current source device. Long press the power button to power down the TV, audio system, and all source devices. Use the volume and mute buttons to control the volume of the TV or audio system. When you configure Caavo to use with your audio system, the volume controls will be dynamically sent to either the TV or audio system, depending on the power state of the audio system. Press the Caavo button to switch between the Caavo user interface and the currently active source. Short press the Sources button to select a different source. Double press the Sources button to share an issue or question with the Caavo customer support team. To control Caavo with your voice, hold the mic button, say what you want to watch, and release the button. Caavo will search across all your streaming services, TV lineup, DVR content, and YouTube. You can also say the name of a source device, channel number, channel call sign, or app. Now, let's review the dynamic buttons. The function of these buttons can change depending on the device you're controlling. Hold the keypad button to display what every button does for the current device. Rest your finger on any dynamic button to see what it does, as well as what device you're controlling. In this example, resting your finger on the Page Up button shows the current device is DirecTV. Short pressing the Page Up button will send the Page Up command to DirecTV. Long pressing the same button will send Fast Forward to DirecTV. Some sources have more commands available than physical buttons on the Caavo remote. In this case, some secondary button functions can be programmed with custom commands. By default, apps will launch on your preferred device. Press Menu to launch an app on a specific device. Press and hold the Fast Forward and Rewind buttons to change the preferred order of your apps. The order of the apps list also defines the order your services will be presented when content is available on more than one service. The remote defaults to Fast Forward and Rewind on short press and Skip and Replay on long press. You can swap these behaviors in the General Settings menu. Select Map Fast Forward Rewind buttons to skip replay for DVR control. Thanks for purchasing Caavo. If you need additional support, visit caavo.com/help or give us a call at 844-GO-CAAVO.